Now in this question number 7, we need to use graph paper for this question. So weekly wages of some workers are given below. With 2 centimeters is equal to 400 rupees. You should take on one axis. And 2 centimeters is equal to 10 workers on other axis. So by using this table, you should find out the median and semi-interquartile range. Then you can do this answers also. First we'll draw the virtue. Before that you can make the less than cumulative frequency table and find the points. So if you see this one, 7th. So wages in rupees is given in this table, right? So wages in rupees. And number of workers. So number of workers. Let us take frequency Fi and CF, cumulative frequency. So it's less than cumulative frequency. Okay, and you can find out the points. So data is given 4000 to 4400. 4400 and 4400 to 4800, 4800 to 5200. So 400 is extending, 5200 to 5600, 5600 to 6000, and 6000 to 6400. So this is the wages, and number of workers working is 8, 12, 20, 25, 17 and 14. We can find out the less than cumulative frequency. So first number is 8 as it is. So up to now given data, we should find out this now. These two more columns you should prepare. So 8 plus 12 is 20, 20 plus 20, 40 and 65. Add to the next number. Okay, 82 and 96. Then points is starting with 4000. So 4000 comma 0 will keep. So highest frequencies next is 4400. So 4400 comma. So whenever less than cumulative frequency, take upper limit, comma 8. Again 4800 comma 20. Okay, 5200. 5200 comma, again it's 40. 5600 comma 65. So these points you need to plot on the graph. Again 6000 comma 82 and 6400 comma 96, right? These points you put on the graph, then you can solve the problems easily. So when you take the graph paper for this, so highest minimum least value is 4000 and highest is around 6800, 6400. Just take the graph. So take x and y axis. Take this and y axis is side. We can make the plotting points. It's not from 0, just use the king symbol. And starting with 4000. 4400 and 4800, 5200, 5600 and 6000 and 6400. Okay, this is on x-axis. So 1 centimeter is 400 units are taken. And this from 10, 20 will take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 and 80, so on. So you can take 90 and also till there. Now these points you can plot on this same graph. Points are this. One is 4400 to comma 8. Okay, let's plot this 4400 400 comma 8. That means 8 millimeter, 1 millimeter, 1.8, and 4800. And if you observe this data, 4800 is 20, next 40, next it is 40. So just take the values again after 40, 65, 82, 65, again 82. It's extending more, and last is 96. So just extend the values. If you join these points, starting is 4000 comma 0. So join with the free hand. So extend this. And now we can take, this is the x-axis is the wages in rupees, and y-axis number of workers. It's number of workers. Now according to the first question, if you observe, median weekly wages. So here 96th observation. So IST is 96. That means n value. So this total value is 96. So n is equal to 96. So median is n, 96 is the even number, right? Therefore we can take median. So median is equals to 96 by 2 observation. That is 48th observation we can find out. From the OG 48th observation, if you take straight line from 48. So draw the straight line from 48. So again from here you can draw the straight line to the downwards. And take the straight line to down. You can mark this and towards down. So it's touching approximately. Here if you clearly observe this, so 1 unit, 1 centimeter is 400 units. You can divide 400 by that 10. So 40 points 1 millimeter. So it's approximately 5300. So around. So from the OG 48 up. So where it's touching, that you can find out. So after 5200, next to 2 millimeters. So total points is 400 by 10. So 40. So that means it's 80. Afterwards again it will cross. So that means 4000 extra 320. So very minute value, you can calculate clearly. Then from OG, so 48th observation, that value is rupees. Here after 5200, next to second and third between millimeters. So 5300. Exactly. So median is equal to 5300. Then lower quartile is Q1. That is n by 4. That means 96th observation divided by 4. So 96 by 4 if you take, in 48 again is 24th line. So 24th line it is. After 24th line you can round off and straight line. From there you can draw straight line to the down. So this also from here. So where it's touching this point, that should take. So here is around 4800 more 40 extra 2 more lines. Then that is 24th observation. Then Q1 is equals to rupees 4840. Q3 is only semi-interquartile range. So you should find out Q1, Q3, then only you can find out semi-interquartile range. So Q1 and Q3 find out. Then Q3 is 3 by 4 into the 10th observation. That is 3 by 4 into, so n is 96. So that is 72 second observation. So if you use the graph, Q3 is nothing but from, if you take a 72 line, from 72 you can take straight line, and where is touching on x-axis, again from down you can take take turns, approximately is around 5800, more than extra one more point is 40 points. So this also takes straight line. Just show the graph point of view of your, from where to where the line is moving and where touching and what point you should take. The 72nd observation is from this 5840. Therefore, the semi-interquartile range. So formulas you remember from this topic. Semi-inter. So quartile range. That is equal to Q3 minus Q1 by 2. So that is 5840 minus 4840 by 2. So that is 1000 by 2 is 500. Okay, just see the calculations. And from the OG itself, the next question is 31 workers earn below. Number of workers who wages below average wage, if average wage is 5000. That means from 5000 you should take the straight line. So 5000 is number, just check it. 4800, 5200. So in between, take this number after 5000, 4800, 40 points. That means fifth line. From here, if you take straight line from center of this, so where is touching? Then take approximately, just take straight line, and this graph is upwards. So it's around touching at 32. So therefore, the third statement you can write like this. From OG, which you can write on the paper, just I'm showing in this graph paper. From OG, so 32 workers earn below average wage. So which is rupees 5000. That's all. So only from the graph we can make clearly. After making the table, then it's very easy to solve. Okay, you can solve this. You can see this answer also. And this third one you can write here only down. Okay, next question is from applications of trigonometry. A vertical pole and vertical tower are in the same level ground. From the top of the pole of an angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degrees and angle of depression of the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. So find the height of the tower if height of the one pole is 20 meters. Okay, let's take the diagram, understand clearly. So one tower height is this, and this is the pole height. So between them values, so angle of elevations are different. So from here to one side is angle of elevation is there, and from this top to another elevation is there. Join these straight lines. So take the given data. Let ST is the tower, and this is the pole. So there is given 20 meters. So it's given 20 meters PQ. And if you observe here, angles. So from the top of the pole of angle of elevation to the top of the tower is 60 degrees. And angle of depression of the foot of the tower is 30 degrees. So based on this, so this is the 30 degree and it is the 60 degree. Right? We know these two lines are equal because parallel lines. That's 90 degrees. If it is 20 and this also 20 meters from here to here. So by observing this we can find out the value of table. Now we can take two triangles. This is SPQR, PQRST. Let us take one more word here. Yes, this is R. Now we can take, first we will find out the TQ or QT, and that value is nothing but equal to PR again. Okay, so from triangle, two triangles we can take simultaneously. First triangle SRP. So from SRP, tan 60. So tan 60 is equals to SR by RP, right? So tan 60 is 1 by root 3. Then from this RP is equals to SR by root 3. So tan 60 is root 3, take this side. So let it be equation 1. Now again from triangle, down triangle take TPQ. From TPQ, tan 30. Okay, tan 30 degrees is equals, opposite is PQ, base is TQ. That is 20 by TQ as it is. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, 20 by TQ. We know TQ and RP are same. Therefore, QT or TQ is equals to RP. Therefore, then we can write this cross multiplication from this QT or TQ, that is equals to 20 root 3. Second, you can equate this both equations. Therefore, 20 root 3 is equals to SR by root 3. So from this, SR is equals to 20 root 3 into root 3. So 20 into root 3 into root 3 is 3, that is 60 meters. So S to R is 60 meters. So this is 60 meters we got. Now total height of the tower is adding that 60 plus 20. Okay. Therefore, height of tower is equals to that SR plus and RT. The total height of the tower we get. One is 60 we got, which is the same is 20 is given. That is 80 meters, right? Okay, so we can solve this problem like this. Only diagram should draw clearly, and based on that we have to take the triangles and solve the problems. Now this is about 7th one. Now let us see questions 8 and we'll solve.